Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the bulk recruitment updates from big companies. Also, we'll be seeing some internship opportunities. So if you're interested in any of this content, please do watch this video till the end. The companies that we are going to see in today's video is UST Global is there, Deloitte is there, Wipro is there, TCS is there, ServiceNow and Goldman Sachs. So let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first one that we are going to see is UST Global Fresher Recruitment Update. So any graduate is eligible for this post. The post name is Associate 1 Corporate Services. The location is Thiruvananthapuram. Currently, you will get 100% work from home. But after the COVID situation has completely settled down, we don't know when it will settle down. But anyway, after that, you will have to relocate to the given location. Okay. Anyway, currently it is 100% work from home. Now, the skill set you are having or you require is interpersonal skills, team skills, presentation skills, negotiation skills. Then you should be a quick learner, problem solving skills. That is the only requirement here. Okay. Also, if you are having some knowledge in MS Excel and Word, that will be an added advantage. Other than that, only basic things they're asking. Okay. So this is a clear fresher update and any graduate is eligible. So if you are interested in working as associate corporate services, you just have to click on this apply now icon and apply for it. Now, nowadays, if you see, a lot of people are being hired by UST Global. A lot of openings is there. So if you are interested in working with the company, this is the right time. Okay. The next recruitment update we are going to see is from Wipro. Again, Wipro is conducting a lot of bulk recruitment updates. In this video itself, we'll be seeing 4 or 5 updates. Okay, 4 or 5 bulk recruitment updates from Wipro. Anyway, this one we are going to see is for the post of associate. Associate is the post name, Airoli is the location. This is a BPO related job. It is a non-voice process. Means you don't have to answer calls or anything. You just have to answer the customer problems and queries through email or chat. That is the job role. Okay. Minimum qualification is higher secondary or graduation. Means if you are a 12th pass out or minimum a graduate, you are eligible. Clearly they have mentioned freshers are eligible. Okay. The skills they are asking is analytical skills, problem solving skills, language skills. Only that is the basic requirement. Again, work from home job only. You just have to apply here. Location is Airoli. Okay. So the next post we are going to see is from Wipro again. It is associates account. A lot of recruitment is actually happening for this post. This is for Hyderabad location. Again, only requirement is excellent written and verbal communication skills. Clearly, they have mentioned that only graduates and freshers are eligible. So, freshers are clearly eligible to apply here. If you are having good communication skills, both written and verbal, just click on this apply icon and apply for it. Okay. Next, we are going to see a bulk recruitment update from Wipro. Actually, as I've told you in the beginning of the video, that there is a lot of bulk recruitment updates from Wipro that we'll be seeing in this video. Okay. So, this is called Elite on-campus hiring by Wipro. Okay. So, eligibility criteria is 60% in 10th and 12th. 60% in graduation. Year of passing they are calling is 2022. Qualification is BTech and 5-year integrated courses. All the streams of BTech are eligible here. And the age limit is 25. The salary that you are going to get is 3.5 lakh per annum and the designation will be project engineer. Okay, so this is a bulk hiring from Wipro. Are you interested in working with the sales department? Do you know that it is one of the highly paying jobs? So if you're a graduate from any background and if you're interested in working with the sales department, Sama School is an excellent choice if you're interested in working with the sales department of the big edtech platforms like Byju's Learning App, Upgrad, Vedantu, Edureka, Grade Learning, QMath, Whitehead Junior, Grade Up, Simply Learn, etc. So these e-learning platforms, they hire people for the sales department through the platform which is called Sama School. So they actually conduct 2 to 4 weeks of live sales training for candidates who are interested in building their career in the sales area. So there will be actually 30 to 50 hours of training and which will actually make you job ready. So there is a 100% placement assistance also offered along with it, and with which you can actually get a package up to 10 lakhs per annum. And as we have seen, Sama School is collaborated with various edtech platforms like Byju's, Upgrad, Akash Digital, Vedantu. then Simply Learn, Grade Up, White Hat Junior, Great Learning, etc. So if you are interested in working with these edtech platforms, if you are interested in finding a job in these platforms, this will be a great opportunity for you. Now, what all things you get to learn here? Let's see. So if you are going to join Sama School, if you are going to get trained in the sales department, you will be learning various things: basics of business development, learn how to sell, mastering business development, and preparing for job interviews. As I've told you, this is a 100% placement oriented training. Also, the requirements are: you need to have a basic graduation in any stream. You can be from BTech background or BCom background, whatever graduation background you are from, doesn't matter. Basic English language knowledge, passion for sales. These are the three requirements. And the selection process will be consisting of: there will be a telephonic interview and there will be a video call based interview afterwards. That is going to be the simple selection process. And the biggest attraction here is that as it is placement oriented, you don't pay even 1 rupee until you get placed. Okay, yes, that's right. I said you don't pay even 1 rupee until you get placed, and you have to pay the amount 24,999. That is 24,999 will be the fees that you have to pay in order to get a job of 10 lakh per annum. So this amount you can also pay as installments. Okay, so I'll be putting this link in description if you are interested in joining the Sama School, and if you are interested in working with the sales department of big tech platforms. Please make use of this platform and please get trained and then get placed in the sales department. Okay, so please make use of the link which I'll be providing in description. Next one, again another bulk recruitment update: Wipro's Elite National Talent Hunt. Okay, so earlier it was only for 2022 batch. So this link is only for 2022 batch. I'll be putting this link separately in description, so don't worry. Okay. Next is again a bulk recruitment update from Wipro. It is for 20, 21 and 22 batch. Okay. So here the last day to apply also they have mentioned is January 31st. There is enough time, but don't wait till that. BTech is eligible and MEM-Tech is eligible. BTech, all streams are eligible to apply here. 60% is the minimum criteria. Year of passing, we have already seen it is 2020, 21 and 22. Okay, salary also they have mentioned here is 3.5 lakh per annum. Okay, so if you are interested, please to apply for it. The third bulk recruitment, again from Wipro itself, it is called the star hiring. See, it is called the star hiring. Again, it is for 22 batch. Here, the salary is very much high, 10 lakh plus 1. That is 10 plus 1. 11 lakhs per annum is the CTC which they are offering. Designation will be project engineer. Also, they have given the selection process here. Registration, assessment, business discussion, letter of intent and offer letter. Okay. So that is the recruitment update from Wipro, which is called the star hiring. Okay. Next one, again a recruitment update from Wipro, which is a bulk recruitment. It is again for 22 batch. If you see, lot of openings is there in Wipro for 2022 batch. Here again, the designation is project engineer and the salary which they are offering is 5.5 plus 1, that is 6.5 lakhs per annum. Okay, all the links of Wipro, all the bulk hiring of Wipro, I'll be putting in description. Please apply for it very soon. Okay, before the links get inactive. Okay. Again, BTech and 5-year integrated courses are eligible. Year of passing, we have seen it is 2022. This is called the turbo hiring. Okay. So there is Elite NTH, star hiring, turbo hiring. So these are various bulk hirings from Wipro. Okay. As I've told you, but there is actually a lot of bulk hirings from Wipro. Then the last one from Wipro we are going to see in today's video is actually a work integrated learning program. So there is a work integrated learning program for BCA and BSc candidates. So BSc candidates of computer science, IT, maths, statistics, electronics and physics are eligible here. So here you will get to work with Wipro, and in the first 4 years you'll be getting this much amount of stipend, and along with that you will get to do an MTech degree here. So you can work with Wipro, you can get the experience certificate, along with that you will get the stipend, plus after 4 years you will get an MTech degree also. Okay, so this is learning and earning program. Okay. So during the first year, the stipend is 15,000. Second year, it is 17,000. Third year, it is 19,000. Fourth year, it is 24,000 per month. Okay. So I am sure that you have heard of this work integrated learning program by Wipro. Also, Mindtree conducts the same. It is called Mindtree Edge program. Okay, so they take BSc candidates and BCA candidates, and they hire as people working with Wipro, and also they take the expenses of your MTech degree. Okay, so this is a very big thing. You will get to get to do your post graduation. Along with that, you can work with the company. Next one is a recruitment update from TCS. So TCS is hiring for 2020 and 21 batch, and the last day to apply is 16th of January. The streams that they are hiring is BB Tech, ME Tech, MCA and MSc with the year of pass out 20 and 21. So in order to apply, what you have to do is just click here. There is a redirectable link here, and register as new user, apply for Drive, and you can register under IT category. And after applying, you can track your application also. You can see the test eligibility here. Minimum requirement is 6 CGPA or 60% mark in 10th, 12th diploma, graduation and post-graduation. Also, you can check for the test pattern here. There will be two stages in the test. Part A will be cognitive skills and part B will be programming skills. Total duration will be 180 minutes. Okay. So if you're having these qualifications or if you're having the eligibility, just click on this registration open. Okay. Next recruitment we are going to see is from ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is conducting an exclusive hiring for women code to win. Okay. So here you have to participate in this challenge. Just click on this register here, and the eligibility is who can participate. You can see the eligibility identifies as women currently enrolled into the full-time student at a college or university from India. If you are enrolled into any of the courses in India with the year of pass out 22, 23 and 24, bachelor degree or master degree in engineering or MCA and MSc, branch no restrictions, CGPA no restrictions. Okay, so whatever CGPA you are having, you can apply here. Whatever branch you are from, whichever branch you are from, you can apply here. Okay, contest format also they have given here. The contest will challenge participants to answer 5 multiple choice questions about ServiceNow and 3 coding problems. Okay, total duration will be 90 minutes. So just crack this challenge and then you can work with ServiceNow. Okay, so just click on this register here icon. There is no fee payment. This is completely free of cost. Only thing is that you need to be a woman. Okay, so this is exclusively for women candidates of the year of pass out 22, 23, 24. Okay, yeah. Next recruitment we are going to see is from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for fresher internal audit. The location is Delhi. The requirement is that you should be having BBA, BBM or BCom. And also if you are having these certifications, CFE, CPA, CIA, CISA, then that will be a preference. Okay. So this is an audit related or a BCom or audit related job role. So if you are preferably from BCom backgrounds or audit related educational backgrounds, if you have studied that, then that will be an added advantage. Okay. So just click on this apply now icon and then apply for it. The last recruitment we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. It is an internship opportunity and a full-time opportunity. Okay. So a full-time opportunity, the job role name is new analyst. Then there is an internship opportunity, and the full-time opportunity is for 22 batch and internship opportunities for 23 batch. The links they have posted separately here in the notification page itself. Last day to apply is January 3rd. Please to apply for it as soon as possible if you are looking for internships. A lot of people have applied and they are getting reply mails also. So you can also apply here and you have to give the test, and if you crack the interview also, you can do the internship. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Support the channel, share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.